Hello dear students, ये दीप्ति छेड़ा here. We are discussing very quickly the 10 most important points to remember for investment. Yes, this is a question which always comes in exam investment chapter. Usually along with this, pre-post incorporation like that combinations are there, 8 marks and 7 marks and so on, 10 marks. So investment problem comes sometimes only for debentures, sometimes in itself there are combinations. For debentures, you have to prepare investment account separate and for equity shares separate. Okay, do watch a separate video I have made for the concept of X interest and cum interest. And beautiful, this chapter is like 3 in 1. You know AS 13 if you know investment. You know how to solve investment problems which comes for 8 marks for sure. And if you understand investment, you will be performing super well in capital gain chapter. I teach these subjects, income tax account, so I can interlink and teach, and I feel that's my asset. And you will surely see that in capital gain, bonus shares, right shares, how is the taxability? You'll be very clear if you understand investment chapter. Yes. So now let us clear all your confusions. And investment account should look very small and beautiful in the exam with date, particulars and triple column, supported by 3D makeup. All your working notes. For every entry you write cum interest, X interest, profit, loss, brokerage. Do the calculations, refer the working note. This is accounts. Yes. If this is income tax, वहीं के वहीं कर लेते हैं. If this is costing, cost sheet में ही particulars amount in between working note column. Yes or no? So every subject has a different way of studying, and I teach this subject, so I'm telling you. Process 1 के बाद cost per good unit costing में वही होता है, पीछे नहीं. But in accounts, the investment account looks beautiful. You get all your step marks if you are making super clear working notes. So let us begin. These are the booster notes we have dictated in the class, and I make the students write. I'm sharing it with all of you, and these are very helpful if you write it in your own language now, so that before the exam you can't revise all the 18, 20, 30 problems which you have solved from your coaching material or from your ICI material. But this is the gist, and do add on 11th and 12th point if you feel you want to remember it one day before exam. Okay, I hope my screen is clear. I always request you, dear students, to watch the videos on full screen in mobile or in a bigger screen so that you can make the most of it. This much of feedback I've received over years, and this knowledge what I feel I have for booster notes, I really want to share it best with all of you so that you do super well. And if you really feel these videos, these booster notes, conceptual videos are helpful, do comment below. That will motivate me also to make more and more videos according to the doubts you write in the comment section. All right. First point is that when you make investment account, investments are always recorded at cost, but interest or dividend is always calculated at face value. This is a point we remember it for single entry also. Single entry के लिए भी हम ये point use करते हैं. 1 second. कभी-कभी टेक्नोलॉजी परेशान करती है. Yes. Oh. Yes, here we go. So, investments are recorded at cost. If you purchase 1 lakh debentures at 120, you record it at 120. But interest will always be calculated at face value. Dividend will always be calculated at face value. That's the reason in investment account in exam, we record face value column or nominal value column. to calculate the interest, cost column to record the main investment account, and interest column to balance how much is interest paid, how much is interest received, and the difference is transferred to P&L account. Interest account is always closed. So do you remember? I'll just show you. 1 minute लगेगा. अगर फॉर्मेट दिमाग में है तो एग्जाम में स्पीड स्टूडेंट्स पूछते हैं ना मैम स्पीड कैसे बढ़ेगी, स्पीड ऐसे बढ़ेगी. या लुक हियर, डेट पर्टिकुलर्स इंटरेस्ट nominal value amount, date particulars interest nominal value amount. Now actually date particulars and amount, date particulars and amount, this is only your investment account. Then why have you made nominal column? It's a memorandum column. It's a memorandum column which will help you to calculate the interest. और यहाँ पे heading में 12% interest और लिख लेना so that you can calculate it fast. And interest is, this is the interest paid, this is the interest received. So balance interest can be transferred to P&L account. Have I given you the mind map of columns? And look at this, supported by all the beautiful working notes. And you get marks. Okay? Chalo. Investment 1 problem, it takes more than 1.5 or 2 hours to explain in the first class. And by the third class, students are able to solve 3 problems in class, 1 class with understanding. Because that's the way you have to learn. Profit or loss is always calculated on the X interest. Now, if I start what is X interest, cum interest, it will take half an hour. So watch my other video, which is separately prepared on X interest and cum interest. Okay, right. Now, if cum interest value is given minus, you know, when I purchase from you, I'm saying take 1 lakh rupees the cost of the investment and take 10,000 interest. So I'm paying you 1,10,000, right or not? So my cum interest value is 1,10,000. So 10,000 I will record separately. Investment account will always be recorded at cost, excluding interest. That's why X interest. So if cum interest is given, minus the interest. If X interest is given, still calculate the interest and write it separately. Don't say, ना नींद में से उठ के ऐसे नहीं बोलना मैम कम इंटरेस्ट माइनस इंटरेस्ट एक्स इंटरेस्ट प्लस इंटरेस्ट. नो नो नो, वी आर इन अकाउंट्स, वी आर नॉट इन मैथ्स. कम इंटरेस्ट है तो माइनस द इंटरेस्ट, एंड इफ इट इज एक्स इंटरेस्ट, if it is X interest, then calculate the interest separately in working note to write it on the debit side when you buy. So when I purchase 1,10,000, 1 lakh I will write in the cost column, 10,000 I will write or debit in the interest what I have paid, and interest what I have earned. The difference is my income. Yes. In purchase value, when you purchase specifically the shares, the brokerage, the STT, security transaction tax, and stamp duty, all is added. And then you record it. So, you know, in cost column, you know, when broker's note come to you, in cost column, what is the ultimate cost? After brokerage, stamp duty, and STT, that is recorded. While selling, from the sales value, minus the brokerage, which you have to pay. Purchase sale दोनों में लगता है. Stamp duty, STT, and net sales, what you get, you take it. And if the sales value is cum interest, minus the interest first. And then what sales value you get minus the cost will give you profit loss. See, I'm telling you. Cum interest, sales value. पहले तो आप interest ही minus कर दो. So now you get X interest sales value minus your cost by whatever method, FIFO, LIFO, nothing given in the exam, always use weighted average method, and then you get the profit and loss. Yes. So I hope these concepts are getting cleared by these booster notes. Like this for every chapter, if you want to learn it, and these booster notes are not written at a stroke. मेरे पास लिखा है, मैं dictate कर रही, बच्चे लिख रहे. No, these in the first day, this in the, as and how we move the class, we write. Sometimes students say, ma'am, this point is good. You give a booster note and we add it. Now, This point is like very important point for you to remember. If interest is paid twice a year in June and December, and if your year ending is March, accrued interest entry you have to pass. Because last interest received is in December, the next interest you are going to receive in June. So till March, no interest is received, but 3 months, January, February, March, interest accrue to hoga na. So ma'am, what's the indicator? Some problems are with accrued interest, some are not with accrued interest. Then accrued interest or आएगा या नहीं आएगा, that will be decided based on your date of interest and year ending given. If year ending is March and interest is given in September and March, no accrued interest will come. Why will it come? Here accrued interest is coming because year ending is March and interest is coming in June and December. If interest is received, bank to interest. If it is not received, accrued interest to interest. Now this point is googly, so I've added it, very important. If question includes, forget about the grammar typing, we have done it. If question includes brokerage in the purchase, add brokerage on cum interest, ex interest, and then deduct the interest if it is cum interest. I hope you are getting. See, cum interest value is given. And brokerage is given at the time of purchase. So cum interest mein brokerage add karo. Add brokerage on the cum interest. Suppose cum interest value is 1,10,000. Add 1% in brokerage, 1,100. And then you minus. What you will minus? You will minus the interest. That is 10,000. I hope you are getting in 1,10,000, 10,000 is interest. So if brokerage is given, 1% brokerage, add it in the cum interest or ex interest value given. Add brokerage first and then minus interest. If you minus interest first and then add brokerage, the answer will differ. You will not get marks. How did you like these booster notes? Did you get a clarity on why you are preparing triple columns? Interest paid is my expense. I can't add it in the cost. And nominal value helps me to calculate interest at every purchase and every sale transaction. That's the reason we prepare triple column. Like this, I'll come up with more videos. This was all for investment in debentures. There are important points for investment in shares, bonus shares, right shares. But I'll tell you, dear students, I've been teaching myself. I've cleared in CA Inter. CA Inter in 1997. हमारे ज़माने में. फिर PCC, फिर IPCC. Again now CA Inter. Back to the same story. Old is good. I've seen investment is a chapter where exactly same problems are repeated from your study material, specifically ICI study material backside. Yes. So practice all the problems and you will be so happy कि ma'am मेरा paper time पे complete हुआ because I've done this problem and exactly it came. And when your concepts are clear, your pen will flow in speed because doubt की जगह नहीं है, scratching की जगह नहीं है, crystal clear clarity ही है. Right? Thank you so much. And if you need these booster notes and all, download Concept Classes app. There's link for our Telegram and other ways, social media to connect with us. So if you have any doubt, you can always ask. And if you have any compliment also, ma'am, this video has cleared many of the concepts, to give compliment also. कभी-कभी appreciate करना चाहिए और अंदर से करो तो ही करो, तो you yourself will also feel happy about it. Thank you so much for watching this video till end. Signing off now, CA Deepti Chheda here. Bye bye.